If your partner snores and you've just been pretending it doesn't bother you, I need to put you onto these. These are SleePods, and honestly, they've changed my nightly routine way more than I expected. Before SleePods, I literally tried everything. These are different for 3 reasons. First, they block out the snoring without making everything completely silent, so I can still play white noise, an audiobook, rain sounds, whatever helps me to fall asleep. Second, these are actually comfortable. I'm a side sleeper and they don't poke out or fall out because they sit flush in your ear. I genuinely forget I'm wearing them. And third, I don't even just use these for sleep anymore. I wear them while I work, at the gym, even at coffee shops sometimes. These might have just saved both my sleep and my relationship. So if you're looking for a better sleep, this is definitely worth a try. Check out SleePods by Openhagen today.